Hello students, today we will see what is a loop antenna. So in loop antenna, first we will see basic of loop antenna, then types of loop antenna, then radiation pattern of loop antenna, operation of loop antenna, and last one we will see application and uses of loop antenna. So basically a loop antenna is a wire or coil which has one or more turns carrying radio frequency. See current. So from this statement we will see loop antenna is a wire or coil. It is a simple smaller size, not that much smaller, and it has one or more turns and carrying the radio frequency. So loop antenna is also work for the radio frequency range, that is ultra high frequency. Again, this particular one or more turns is called as frames. One or more turns called as frames. Then afterwards we will see types of loop antenna. So in types of loop antenna, first we will see the square type of loop antenna. Then this is a triangle type of loop antenna. This is a rectangular type. This is one more square type, and this is a circular type of loop antenna. So here we will write down the types of. It is a square, triangle, rectangle, again square, and circle type. Here we will apply the feed line here. This is outer conductor, this is inner conductor. So here loop antenna is of different shape like square, triangle, rectangle, square, and circular. So depends on our application, we have to use the types of loop antenna. Here if the number of turns are more, it will call as a frames. Afterwards we will see the radiation pattern of loop antenna. Here firstly I will go for the square type. This is a square type, it is a axis. So the radiation pattern will look like this one. This is a loop, it will look like this one. It is a bidirectional or figure of merits of it. It will be look like it like structure, and it is a means what we'll see, that is a for small loop. For small loop, the radiation will be parallel to the loop axis, and for large loop it is look like this structure. So the radiation is perpendicular to the loop axis, so it is a loop. Depends on, here I have to use the square. Similarly it will be for triangle, rectangle, square and circular. Loop antenna is what compare different types of wavelength we have to use it. Afterwards we will see what is the use of loop antenna. Loop antenna is work for a multiple range of frequency, that is a high frequency, then very high frequency, ultra high frequency and uh, microwave frequency. Depends on the requirement. Generally it will be used for ultra high frequency for radio, transmitter and receiver. Here loop antenna is also work as transmitter as well as receiver. Then it will be also work for UHF transmitter. So today we will see what is a loop antenna. Basic of loop antenna: it is a wire or coil which has one or more turns and which will carry the radio frequency current. So types of loop antenna: radiation pattern of loop antenna, operation of radiation, operation of loop antenna, application and use of loop antenna. So here types is what: square, triangular, rectangle, circular one. Here for smaller loop, radiation pattern is parallel to the axis, and for larger loop radiation pattern will be perpendicular to axis, and its different application: high frequency, very high frequency, ultra high frequency, microwave frequency. It will also use in a radio transmitter and receiver, UHF transmitter. Okay, thank you for watching.